Okay, so iOS 26 dropped with a whole new look. Let's go. But is it all hype? We're gonna find out. This is gonna be an iOS update for the history books. The tagline for this update is, "Let's go everywhere together." And well, that's actually kind of true because iOS 26 will be on all devices from iPhone to iPad to Mac to Apple Vision Pro. Apple calls it liquid glass, a transparent floating interface that makes you feel like you're holding a piece of glass in your hand. On the home screen, everything looks super clean and minimal, and my favorite part is the notification badges now round. But once you start using the phone, problems start to appear. See, the problem is readability. It's pretty hard to read the control center icons over top of dark mode applications. And also, some third-party apps just don't look good, especially ones with dark mode enabled. It's really hit or miss. But the biggest upgrade by far has to be the camera UI. Now you can swipe through photo and video modes, adjust settings on the fly without having to dive into menus. And it just feels way more pro, especially with the new dedicated video tab. There's even a button to quickly switch between photo styles. It's very satisfying. And if you're a content creator, there's now a new side panel that lets you switch between the front. Now we have to talk about Apple Intelligence because it is literally built into the name of the OS. Apple's big AI push is here, but not all features will be available at launch. Live translation will come later this year, but the rest will be available when the OS releases to the public. That includes smart shortcuts like generating QR codes with a scan of your keyboard. Custom Genmojis are also coming, which will be fully customizable with clothing, accessories, stickers, all that fun stuff. And the new version of Safari uses AI to generate summaries of web pages and also autofill your passwords if you forget them. The other big feature is the new Smarter battery. Not only does it have an updated icon, but it will learn your daily usage patterns and optimize based on your schedule. There's also a new gaming hub, which is basically the App Store inside of the OS. It unifies all of your games into one place and lets you stream games via Apple Arcade, and also has a built-in controller map. But the best part by far is the all-new control center. It's completely redesigned with bigger icons and widgets for things like music playback and timers. So should you install iOS 26 Beta 1? Well, probably not yet. It's too buggy. I mean, sure, there are stunning visual upgrades like the new control center and the new camera UI, but it's just too buggy to recommend. I mean, just look at this. And also, the wallpaper dimming bug is back. Oh, and did I mention that the notch is even bigger now? Yeah, it's not great. So I would definitely wait for the public release in September. Let me know what you think about iOS 26 down below. Is it too early to tell? Are you enjoying the new look? Or do you think iOS 25 was better? Let me know what you think. Like and follow Smart Biz and Tech for more. Thanks for watching. Catch you in the next one.